goats is here. So we count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Mariam, Sister Mariam is here. How many now? 11 total. 11. Yes. This one. 11 all. 11. And this one, coming Kurbani, we have to make this one. We have to give sacrifice this one, and over there. My husband, he care this one after 1 year. This one coming, no, already 1 year last May 6, they already 1 year. So we have to give Kurbani this one, sacrifice coming June 7. This one, and over there. So we have 11 goats. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Where is another? 10? Oh, maybe. Oh, 11 there. That's black. Oh. Yan, dumating na kami dito. Galing doon sa ibang village kasi yung kaibigan ni Sister Mariam doon sa Rawalpindi sa Barya Town. Nagre-rent sila doon sa Barya Town, din meron din silang bahay dito sa village, ibang village. So doon kami nag-lunch. So ito, dumating na kami 4:20 PM na. Dumating kami doon 1:30 PM sa bahay nila. Nag-lunch kami doon. Ayan. Dito na kami sa baba. Ayan si Sister Mariam.